Welcome RV enthusiasts, my name is Aaron, and today we are not just talking about, but actively comparing two luxury fifth wheel RVs, starting with the Heartland Cyclone 4006.
And the Alliance 44V14. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against one another. Let's start with the basics. The Alliance is longer at 45 feet 8 inches.
Yeah, mine might be a little shorter, 3 inches shorter, but hey, they're the same width, 8.5 feet.
They might be the same width, but the Alliance is an inch taller.
But it's just an inch. I don't get it. You keep bringing up your height, but it's just an inch. Heartland Cyclone's got a triple axle with 16-inch tires. What do you got?
I have the same thing.
No, really? Are you kidding me? Well, why don't we just take a look inside and see how much better it is than that one. First thing you'll see here, there is a couch here, a couch here, and a couch here. And by the way, they all recline.
You want to have a movie night with your family and friends? Sit on this massive theater seat couch. You can fit so many people on this. Kick your feet up and enjoy the movie.
One thing to take note of is the amount of cabinets in this kitchen. I mean, I could just spend all day opening these things, but it's important to have all that storage when you are hitting the road and trying to pack your life into an RV.
You got tons of space here to make all your best meals. You got a nice oven, nice stovetop, beautiful microwave, and tons of cabinet space. My competitor talked about his cabinet space, but let me tell you, we got plenty more. Midnight snacking has never been easier with the LED lighting in this awesome pantry.
The Heartland Cyclone's fridge is 19 cubic feet, actually 19.6. A little bigger than that guy is over there.
Our fridge might not be as big as the competitors, but with this 100 amp hour lithium battery, I can stick my head in here and cool off forever.
All right, let's check out the 13-foot garage space. The TV and washer dryer hookups, convenient. You've got a bathroom with a sink. This table here is great because it's not mounted to anything in here. That means you can take it outside. You can leave it in if you have a picnic inside. Also, these doors do close and they have screens. Keep the bugs out, but keep the air in. This ramp does fold down. Obviously, it's a toy hauler for a reason. It's just a great space. Also, up here, you'll find that you've got a loft for your kids to sleep. Or hey, if you're like me, maybe you want to sleep up there yourself. I ain't judging. And might I add, extra storage space. Boom.
Wow, and check out this awesome garage. 14 feet of space in this garage for all of your toys, side-by-sides, dirt bikes, anything like that. And that's 1 foot more than our competitor. Also, if you want to turn this into a living space, you got plenty of couches, a bed, and even check this out, an extra bathroom, and not to mention a washer and dryer hookup. Once you're tired at the end of the day, you can make this into a living quarters as well. Not to mention, get out of here.
Let's check out the bathroom. So you've got some decent sized space. I am 6'2", which means that this skylight here adds a little bit of space for my head. Don't want to be bonking it on anything. And in fact, the ceiling is just high enough that even without that skylight, I would be good. Okay, toilet. Check out the space here. Whoop, that was weird. Plenty of room to move your arms. Hey, I've got long, gangly arms, and this is just fine for me. Nice sink. Do all your hand washing, and medicine cabinet above it. A little thing, but it just adds a little bit of space for your stuff.
I'm right here. Check out this awesome master bedroom. You get a nice, comfortable shower, plenty of counter space.
Moving on to the bedroom, you'll notice I came into the bathroom and I am walking into the bedroom from the bathroom. Hey, give me some privacy. See what I did there? Now, you'll see that the mattress does appear to be falling off the bed. And you're right, but guess what? That's because of the tilt system. This is one feature that the Alliance Valor does not have. No tilt on their king bed, but we do over here in the Heartland Cyclone.
So check out this lovely king bed. You got plenty of space to watch your shows. You even got tons of storage space, some hidden storage.
Now let me point out that there is little side pockets here for your storage. Use it as a nightstand, use it as a bookshelf, whatever you want. This is a walk-in closet because I can walk in it and I could close these doors in your face, but they're latched. They'll make me do it.
Look how much space you have in this closet. Enough to fit all your clothes and more, and you even have a second washer dryer hookup. His only has one.
This is a pain point for a lot of RVers, is the placement of the TV. This is in a very convenient spot where you can actually see it from the bed. RVers will know that the TV sometimes in RVs is kind of in an awkward spot, but not here. Right below the TV, you've got these drawers here, all of your clothes. All right, well, you've seen both the RVs. I showed you Heartland Cyclone 4006. I think my favorite feature in this RV, probably the tilt bed. What's yours?
You've seen the Alliance 44V14. My own favorite feature is that extended garage. They're both great RVs. Let us know which one you prefer in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and check out both these awesome fifth wheels at bishes.com.
Bishes.com.
Mine's better.
Nope.